Hi my angels, today I am tackling my wardrobe. I have been like this since I can ever remember. I let my wardrobe get to the point where I can't find anything before I sort it out, and I'm trying to get out of that rut and put things away where they're supposed to be whenever I'm done with them. Try not to be too like, oh I don't want to wear this, and like putting stuff in the wrong places. I'm trying to be a better wardrobe person, but it's genuinely got to the point where I'm like, I really need to sort all of this out because I have no idea what anything is. There are definitely things in my wardrobe right now which I haven't touched since, I want to say like 6 or 7 years, which means it's time for them to go to a new home. So I'm going to try and do as many kind of like charity bags as possible and just generally giving this entire space a bit of TLC because I haven't done it in a while. But I thought I would organize and declutter and sort my wardrobe out with you guys. So I don't really know where I'm going to start. I kind of want to Marie Kondo my wardrobe just because there's so much stuff in here that just doesn't get any love anymore, and I feel like it deserves to go to a home where it can get love. So I don't really know where to start. I genuinely have no idea what to do, but I feel like I'm going to do it Mrs. Hinch style and start in like one area and then like move my way around. My husband's wardrobe is so the opposite of mine. It's so nice and sorted out and clean and color coordinated and everything, and then you have mine, which is a mess. You can only see bits of things that I've like shoved into this kind of area. By the way, my wardrobes are all from IKEA. I believe they're like the tallest size, but they're like cut off to like fit really nicely into the walls. I kind of wish they were white, only because it would brighten this area up. I've got the lights on at the moment because otherwise it's quite dark in here. I don't know, maybe I will change my mind one day and decide to paint everything white. If anyone watching this video has painted IKEA wardrobes a different colour, please let me know if it's actually worthwhile, because yeah, I'd love to just brighten this space up. It's time to start sorting everything out. I've also got a bit of a skincare situation going on here. We genuinely haven't changed anything in this room since we moved in. I don't know whether I'm bored of it. I don't know whether I want to switch it up. We're just going to leave that as it is. The main purpose of today is just giving it this whole entire space a sort. I actually have some clothes that I haven't put away in my bedroom, so I'm going to bring them in and then I can get cracking. I wanted to show you this jumper that I wear all the time. I have it in a couple of different colours. It's from a really small UK brand called Keep It Bright, and I love that it says Radiate Love on it. I've got it in a really bright coral like oversized hoodie in black and also khaki, and I will leave a link to it in the description box in case you guys are wondering, because I love it so much. I feel like I'm just going to show you guys stuff as and when I find things that I think that will be interesting. These are reusable sanitary pads from a brand called Eco Lily. These are really highly rated on Amazon, and I bought 2 boxes of these. I got like the large size and then like the medium size. Little by little I'm trying to be more of an eco-friendly person, and I'm basically using up all the sanitary towels that I already have, and then I'm gonna switch over to these. I haven't actually tried them yet, but I will keep you guys updated probably on Instagram stories of what I think of them. Let's open one up so we can see what it looks like. So it looks like this, and it's got like a little popper on here, and you basically pop it on, and you can reuse it, wash it, and I think it's a great alternative for like normal sanitary towels. Now I just need to find a home for these. I actually want to show you guys my favourite leggings. These are from a company called Tala, and they are so nice. They really suck you in. They're very stretchy and opaque. You can't see anything through them, and they come in a bunch of different colours. And what I love about them is that they also come in a petite range. I'm not very tall. These are actually the regular size, and I just kind of like fold them up at the bottom, but I love these so much. I'll leave a link to these these as well. I've got them in a bunch of different colours, but I am going to get my hands on the slightly shorter petite range, which again I'll leave a link to in the description box, but I thought I'd show you these because they are amazing. If you guys are looking into some eco-friendly leggings, then definitely check these guys out. I love them so much. But right now I'm basically shoving anything that needs hanging up here, and if I come across like any pajamas or what I like to call my slob drawer, which is like my slob clothes to wear around in the house, I'll put them in that drawer, and I'm just kind of putting things into the drawers that it needs to be, and then I'll go through every single drawer and organize everything in there. That's like the way that I like to work when I'm sorting out my wardrobe. So I'm just gonna crack on with that. Story time. So when I was younger, no matter where I was going or if I was even leaving the house, I would get ready in the morning and wear nice clothes to sit around in the house. And my husband always reminds me of like when we first got together, whenever he would see me, whether it was at home or wherever we were going, I'd always wear really nice clothes, and he just thought I was doing it for him, but actually I was just doing it because it was just so normal to me. And over the last, I want to say like 3 or 4 years, I live in like just comfy joggers, hoodies, leggings and things like that. And I basically want to tell you a story about my new favorite hoodie at the moment, which is this Fila hoodie right here. It's a bright green, and whenever I wear it I get so many compliments for it, but this leaves little green fluff marks everywhere. Like I'll be walking in the house and there'll be like green fluff bits. There's actually some on the floor right here, and basically I leave a trail of these behind me, and it is the bane of my life at the moment, but I love it so much. So yeah, I thought I'd show you my favorite hoodie of the moment. If anyone out there who's watching this, then please let me know your favorite sustainable fashion brands, because I'm trying to buy less of like the big mainstream brands and buying more niche products. I think my whole outlook on life has changed. I'd rather buy something which is a little bit more expensive, that's going to last me longer, that is just more sustainable and better for the planet. And I know there are so many parts of my life where I'm not perfect and I'm probably not sustainable at all, but I just want you guys to know that if we do our little bit, whether it's just cutting out little things here and there, we're actually going to make a big difference to the planet. Like if you can inspire your family or your friends to do the same, like we are making big movements. So every little counts. Don't let anyone ever put you down, because as long as we do our little bit, it can make a massive difference. So I just wanted to put that out there. And yeah, if you guys know of any sustainable brands, leave me a comment. I've put everything away where it's supposed to be, and now comes the next comes the bit that I have a love-hate relationship with, and that is going through everything and organizing all the drawers. I was actually going to take things out that I want to give to charity or to sell on Depop, but I feel like I'm going to leave that for another day, and right now just organize all the drawers. So I'm going to start from here and then work all my way around. wardrobe is officially all organised, apart from the skirt drawer, because I know there are loads of skirts in there that I've got pretty much since like I finished uni. I genuinely don't think they're gonna fit me anymore, so I need to do a full-on day where I try all my clothes on and see what fits and what doesn't and all of that, and then start making up Depop and charity bags. So we're gonna ignore that drawer, and now I'm gonna move on to this side. So here I've got a lot of like holiday clothes or like long maxi dresses and things. Again, I need to try them on, and the same with all of these as well. These are like my summer dresses, but it's annoying me that it's not color coordinated, so I'm gonna do that and leave this whole section till later, and then move on to these drawers, which I think is gonna be pretty quick and easy and pain-free. Hoovering, and I actually think I'm going to hoover the rest of the house upstairs as well whilst I'm at it. And I want to show you this corner. This is like my perfume corner. If you guys know me personally, you'll know I'm obsessed with perfumes. This is just some of my perfumes. I have more down there, I have more in boxes, and I have another bag of them as well waiting to be organised. I've actually ordered one of those like Lazy Susan things. It's like a plastic thing that turns around, and I thought it would be the perfect way to organise and store all of my perfumes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves here, and then my husband's got 3 shelves as well. So I've ordered 7 of those turning kind of like table things, and I'm going to organise all of them tomorrow when they hopefully arrive. Fingers crossed they're coming tomorrow. But other than that, my wardrobe is all completely sorted out. And one more thing I wanted to mention is an amazing way that you can save space in your wardrobe, and that is with these very thin velvet hangers. I got these from Amazon, and my husband actually uses the same ones, and we can just fit so much more clothes because these are so super thin. So I'll leave a link to these as well in the description box, but I love, love, love these. I feel like I can fit so many clothes purely just because of these. My Amazon order arrived with my little Lazy Susans, so I feel like I'm gonna sit and just organize all my perfumes. I think I'm gonna put them all into maybe piles of brands or colors, and then organize them that way. Probably colors. Knowing me, I love everything to be color coordinated. So I'm gonna get all my perfumes out on the floor, and oh my god, it's just gonna look so good once it's all done and all organized. I genuinely feel so good that all of my perfumes are organized. They don't look the best in terms of like color coordination because I have so many bottles that are so many different colors, but overall I'm really happy with the way that it's turned out. I've left a lot of the perfumes that I like to wear outside of the Lazy Susan, and that's only because it's easy for me to grab on a daily basis. Funny fact, I wear perfume every morning when I get ready. As soon as I come out of the shower, that's like one of the first things that I do is get my perfume on. I think I get it from my mum, and I've been obsessed with perfume ever since I was younger. I feel like I don't really talk about perfume on my channel, but yeah, it just makes me so happy. And I remember back in the day, I always used to get perfumes for a special occasion, and now I still do that, but more so when I travel because scents are linked to memories, and I have so many memories on this shelf. It's just, every time I look back at it, it just makes me so happy. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way that it's all looking, and I'm going to show you one of the Lazy Susans like turning around because I think they're really cool. So you turn it like this, and you can see pretty much every single perfume in there. And it looks really nice as well because it's nice and see-through, so it doesn't like make this whole area look messy. It just makes it look really nice and organized. I'll leave a link to them in the info box below because I really love the way that these trays turned out. And I feel like this is the end of this vlog. I've had so much fun just clearing and tidying up. Also, I hope you guys are really proud of me. We did the washing load and I put all my clothes away already, and I didn't leave it like piling up until it got to the point where it was too much. So I feel like I'm getting into the swing of things, and if you guys have any suggestions on ways that I could organize my jewelry, then please let me know, because I feel like I'm going to do a separate video on that. Or if you have any other ideas of ways to organize a wardrobe, let me know. I try and Marie Kondo my wardrobe as much as I can, but yeah, please let me know in the comments, and not only me but everyone else watching, because I like to make sure that we are a two-way conversation and helping everyone out. But I feel like that's everything from me. Thank you so much for watching this rambly little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye!